Welcome to this tutorial on Get-ADGroup, a powerful PowerShell command for querying Active Directory groups. In this video, you'll learn how to retrieve group information from your Active Directory environment. Whether you're managing security groups, distribution lists, or need to audit group memberships, Get-ADGroup is an essential tool in your PowerShell toolkit. Let's dive in and explore how to use this cmdlet effectively. Get-ADGroup is a PowerShell cmdlet that allows you to retrieve Active Directory group information from your domain. It's part of the Active Directory module for Windows PowerShell and provides a straightforward way to query group objects. You can use it to find specific groups, search for multiple groups based on criteria, and retrieve detailed properties about those groups. This cmdlet is essential for administrators who need to manage and audit Active Directory groups efficiently. The basic syntax of Get-ADGroup is simple and flexible. You can use the identity parameter followed by the group name in quotes to retrieve a specific group. Alternatively, you can use the filter parameter with an asterisk in quotes to retrieve all groups in your domain. The identity parameter is used when you know exactly which group you want to retrieve, while the filter parameter allows you to search for multiple groups based on specific criteria. These two approaches form the foundation of working with Get-ADGroup. To retrieve a specific group, use the identity parameter with the group's name or distinguished name. For example, Get-ADGroup-identity followed by domain admins in quotes will retrieve the domain admins group. You can also use the full distinguished name, which starts with CN equals, followed by the group name, then the organizational unit path and domain components. The distinguished name provides a precise way to identify groups, especially when you have groups with similar names in different organizational units. Filters allow you to query multiple groups based on specific criteria. You can filter by name using wildcard patterns, such as name dash like followed by IT asterisk, in quotes to find all groups starting with ITU. Can also filter by GroupScope, using values like global, domain local, or universal. Additionally, you can filter by GroupCategory to distinguish between security groups and distribution groups. Filters are powerful tools that help you narrow down large group collections to find exactly what you need. When you retrieve a group using Get-ADGroup, several common properties are returned by default. The name property contains the group's display name. GroupScope indicates whether the group is domain local, global, or universal, which determines where the group can be used and what members it can contain. GroupCategory tells you whether it's a security group used for permissions or a distribution group used for email lists. The distinguished name property provides the full LDAP path to the group object in Active Directory, which uniquely identifies its location in the directory tree. By default, Get-ADGroup returns only basic properties. To retrieve additional information, use the properties parameter. You can specify an asterisk to get all available properties, though this may take longer to process. Alternatively, you can specify specific property names separated by commas, such as members and description. This targeted approach is more efficient when you only need certain details. For example, retrieving the members property allows you to see who belongs to the group, while description provides information about the group's purpose. Let's look at some practical examples. You can pipe Get-ADGroup output to select object to display only specific properties like name and group scope. To find groups containing admin in their name and retrieve their members, use a filter with name dash like followed by asterisk admin asterisk, combined with the properties parameter set to members. You can also limit your search to a specific organizational unit using the SearchBase parameter with the OU path. These examples demonstrate how to combine parameters effectively to accomplish common administrative tasks in Active Directory.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.